I am a visionary. I am a revolutionary.
Nah, fuck this. Let's get to the video, fam. You guys are really gonna enjoy this one. Trust me. Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sikhanyiso here, and I'm back with another drama-packed drama. Let's see what they're talking about. Baby.
Yes, sir.
So today I'm here with my boy. How are your name, my nigga?
That's all underscore, my young underscore I. You know the vibes,
Challenge, yeah? We dying. What's this?
Trying something new, dog.
What's it
trying
called?
to bake a homemade cake.
Yeah.
Less than three minutes.
See, handy when it comes to actually he's handy. I don't know shit about this. I'm gonna try it. I'm
We're gonna try our best.
I'm gonna try it.
Try our best.
So try cake. Me man,
Yeah. This is but like
ass, bro.
Like I'll show you though. Like you're gonna
guide me through it.
guide.
Later you're gonna guide me through it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, use this one.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna take like 4
spoons.
4 spoons of flour.
Okay, you go first. Okay, my turn. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
4 spoons of flour.
spoons
Now
of
this is
flour,
the
done.
coffee.
Are you sharp this week?
Sharply. Toran.
We are black, bro. Don't expect us to like.
Either. So, you know, we've let wrong, but we can use that one
We're
instead.
black, bro. It's fine, dog.
2 teaspoons of coffee.
2 teaspoons of coffee. Okay. Tell my 2 teaspoons of coffee, bro. Alright.
Yeah. Actually,
Shit.
I'm using like
Yeah. Fuck yeast. Baking powder. Baking powder. Except, what if ladies would like use yeast? Grow their hair.
yeah,
Is it possible?
I'm going to TikTok video, Joe. Anyway.
Now, is it?
Yeah, but
She used the yeast to grow ass.
yeast to Abi, I make some nice look like you're
I'm gonna tip to grow ass. Use yeast, bro.
not too much, not too little, but yeah,
Yeah.
just a little bit.
Down
And what
the
else?
yeast.
Oh, yeah.
Yeast. And then?
Now we're gonna use
Is it sugar?
sugar. 3 teaspoons of sugar, bro.
Oh, not that. Brown sugar.
Brown fucking sugar, bro.
What's the difference between brown sugar and the white sugar?
White sugar is like, I don't know, but I'm just saying, white sugar is like more taste, or it's more. Yeah, man, Joe.
Yeah.
White sugar than brown sugar, like. You can feel the difference, you know, Kalamata by 3.
But like the brown sugar is healthy though.
Yeah, brown sugar is less whatever. I don't know what less low, but less whatever.
It's healthier than the white sugar.
Yeah.
Same price to bread. Brown bread is healthier than white bread.
And then you mix that.
Mix it, bruh.
You mix, bro. You know, after that, you done mixing. Operate.
Are you mixing in the chat?
Operate. No,
Imagine you check Caesar.
operate. I see the here, dog. Yeah.
The way you see what's so but you know we black though.
Yeah.
You go do your thing is good.
Not too much. Not too little, bro.
Okay, I think that's it.
Not much, not too little, bro.
W smooth in the chat.
I'm just cool.
Like make it man, you know I think Papa.
Yeah, I'm be weak. Like, I'm be weak.
You be a man.
No, I'm doing a man's cool.
Oh, okay, you used to clean.
Nah.
Okay, I get you, man.
Because my man is okay.
Yours is cool.
I think.
Smooth, come pull out smooth, bro. So, there's a bit of dog. I feel like I am is weak, bro.
Also mine is weak, dog. I think also mine is weak, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Go back to me, bro.
Okay. Now we apply
Fish oil.
little bit of fish oil.
Fish oil, bro.
Little bit of fish oil, brother.
It's not Mali, bro. It's not fish oil, dog. So you guys don't charge, man. Don't charge, man.
Don't judge a book by its cover, man, niggas.
Don't charge, man.
Okay, now it's time. Okay? Now it's time, boy. It's time.
And do go check out my YouTube channel. I have a video that's just dropped, and I'm dropping another one today. Part 2. Crazy one, bro. Crazy experience.
And don't check my TikTok account, which is the hate space. Yeah, you can pull up that.
Okay, Space is gonna go first, bro.
I'm gonna go first. Now I'm putting my homemade thingy. Homemade cake.
How long do we do that?
Yeah. I think that's okay. That's okay.
The video. You look like the Twizzies, bro. All black. All black. All black, bro. These niggas ain't got no hands. We look fly like this and we ain't got no hands. It's crazy shit, bro. That's crazy shit, bro. You mummies, bro. You guys should like DM the boy. I wanna tell like comment, a collab. Any man who's interested in being my YouTube channel. Yeah, collaboration, yana. Wouldn't hurt. Nazi niyasomena ngasizeza kaka actually sisizeza kaka but like we are chill, bro. We are not people, man. We are vibes.
We are cool.
DM me, bro. Come DM me, you're like this to my phone, bro.
It's not even like that.
That's not always the case, bro. Sometimes the man is DM you, just touch with the content, you know? So you can dollar YouTube, dollar TikTok, whatever you feel like.
I don't anything.
Whatever you feel like.
A few moments later.
Let's see the result.
Come closer, my brother.
Let's see the result.
Drum roll.
See the results.
Okay.
It's charred, bro.
Okay.
I think it's charred, boy.
Okay. I think we might cook, bro. We cooked.
Cooked.
Yeah, we cooked.
Cooked.
We cooked.
How do you cook?
I think we cooked.
How you cooking in the chat?
I think we cooked, bro. It's at yours, dog. It's perfectly fine, dog.
You're gonna learn hook up, bro.
That's crazy. It is.
You just know it's gonna have a taste, bro. 3 minutes, must.
Yeah. Operate for small also, dog.
Operating one for smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not. Ben's wrong, Batman. Batman. I don't know even if it's superhero. Y'all tell me, comment section. I'm confused. Is Batman a superhero, dog, or
Batman is a vigilante.
okay?
Spider-Man is a vigilante. Batman is a vigilante. Spider-Man is a vigilante. Iron Man is a superhero. Captain America is a superhero. You know why I'm saying that?
Why?
Get a lot of this guy.
Because Batman is Spider-Man. It's not hard, but okay, anyways. Batman is Spider-Man. Batman is Spider-Man. But I'm going to know. Everybody is illegal. Iron Man, no, Captain America, illegal. Because like the states have a support.
Okay.
Yeah, so if I'm about the criminals, you know, Batman or Iron Man. Because I phone right away by his side. I support what's his state. Yeah, so by us, right? I'm not going to vigilantes. I think Spider-Man is going to be a superhero now because everybody loves him.
Yeah, cause
No, it's not. That's what people will say.
could.
A few moments later.
Selfie, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Drum roll.
Woo! It's the way it is.
W's, dog.
feel like mine is softer, bro.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that. You. That one is in the chat.
And mine is softer, bro. Smoother than Luda. Smoother than my Luda. Don't talk at him. Smoother man, Luda man 3000.
One is cases, we.
We cook, bro. Get everything, bro. Ingredients and everything. So that one is for smooth.
That one is so smooth. Like, but who can taste, can come for presentation. Let's get forward in this shit. Pause. So my nigga here's boy is gonna
Do the taste lab.
gonna do the taste lab. Who's gonna operate? Yeah, you can start left one. The left one, the left side one. Okay. Yeah, that's me by the way.
Space.
Dog. What? Yo, I operated the leech, dog. There's no way.
Yo, I was so glad I was smooth. Nah. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear the guy?
Too much lettuce and back off.
Too much coffee.
Yeah.
Too much coffee.
Because it's sugar.
Man, can you hear it, dog?
I know.
Okay.
What's the one?
Sugar, you know what?
Hey, W. SK is 1-1. SK, this is.
She really like boom. She told me gang money who's it, little bitch. She took and she sick with the sin on my nigga. But what can I say? My dog, she fly.
I don't know what I operated that.
Stick 45 inch. All they so fly, they talk about me. Lit in.